Going and Winson have entered into a strategic partnership with cross-shareholding to collaborate and expand our global presence. Winson products include baby diapers, adult diapers, female sanitary napkins, masks, etc. Winson was established in 2005. After 18 years of development, the company has become a leading manufacturer of sanitary products in China. It has established two large production bases in Guangdong and Xizang. Guangdong covers an area of 240,000 square meters. Xizang has an area of 100,000 square meters. Winson has 100,000 grade clean workshop, equipped with fully automated inspection equipment and automatic packaging equipment online. The production management system has been certified by EACC, and the quality management system standards are in line with ISO 9001:2015. The two production bases currently have a total of 31 fully automatic equipment. The two production bases produce more than 316 million pieces per month. Winson uses high-quality materials and advanced manufacturing technology to ensure the high quality and reliability of our products. We have a dedicated technical team that can meet the various needs of our customers. Winson has an 80,000 square meters logistic warehouse with fast loading and unloading system. At present, Winson has more than 80 patented technologies and certificates. We have 9 independent brands. We will continue to be committed to providing humane and high-quality personal care products.